It's actually like this, and there's verses in Bengali, and maybe CC also. But certainly in the poems and songs of Govinda Das and Chandidas, they talk about Pagalini Radha, Pagalini Priyaji, running out mad in the madness of love, streaking across the forests of Vrindavan to meet her dashing, darling sweetheart on the banks of the Yamuna under the Vamshivat tree. So there we were, standing in front of Lakshmi Devi, the goddess of fortune, and crying on her behalf. Oh, Lakshmi Devi, I feel so sorry for you. I hope in some future birth you'll become fortunate and take birth in Vrindavan as a Brijvasi. That's what they say. They say, oh, Lakshmi Devi, you just keep going to Pasya, and someday you'll be born in Braj Mandal. So now you can understand how rare it is to be born in Braj Mandal, and how rare it is to be born in Braj Mandal with Braj Bhav and Gopi Bhav, like many of the people have. Not everyone has, but many of the great devout personalities and Brijvasis are full of Gopi Bhav. They're Goswamis, they're Pracharaks, they're professors, they're businessmen, whatever they may become, but they're all full of Gopi Bhav.